emotionally, it feels weird to not be having these people in court and doing everything in the moment. But I guess there's so many people in so varied number of places that I guess it was the only practical way, probably.
Oh, I need to, someone asked I get this question every stream, and this is a good time to talk about it. Why is this in Virginia? Very basically, Virginia has jurisdiction over this case because the opinion piece was published in the Washington Post. The Washington Post is headquartered in Virginia, and so they can bring the case in Virginia where the defamation occurs, where the publication of the thing is a transactional nexus for the purposes of jurisdiction. So Amber Heard effectively made the statement in Virginia, even though it's published all over the world through the internet, is made in Virginia when it's published there. So that's why they're there in Virginia, because you don't want to run this case in California. You do not. They have stronger anti-SLAPP protections. They have pretrial anti-SLAPP dismissal where Virginia does not. And it's also California. Now, Fairfax might not be the best place to do it, but that's probably, again, where Washington Post is located. So, but yeah, that's why it's there. And that's, yeah. And that's also why we have so many video depositions. Most of these people are in LA. And the kind of the trade-off of you either have to get them all out to Virginia, which I think with this much money, they probably should anyway. But, the trade-off is you get video depositions because you can't.
So the doctor yesterday, she was there in person, right?
Yes.
Yeah, for sure. You want her in person.
Yeah. Any of your very critical, that's how you'll know these witnesses are critical to the case, is they're there in person. That's a good clue. Sneaky Weasel says, can Johnny Depp prove he didn't abuse but still lose if not directly referenced in the Washington Post article? I mean, I think they've got testimony suggesting that people knew what this article was about. And there you go. It's done.
Yeah. And I mean, another good thing for Johnny Depp in Virginia is they allow defamation by implication, by innuendo. So, yeah.
So theoretically, yes, he could still lose if they find that article is not reasonably, if a reasonable reader could not draw the inference that Johnny Depp was the target of it. But if a reasonable reader familiar with Johnny Depp could draw the inference that was about Johnny Depp, then, you're toast. And I think that's pretty simple. They've laid out the case for it.
Johnny, what would be the alternative inference? I mean, who else was she married to?
Exactly.